Hello, good morning. Today we are going to know about the types of chemical equations, that is balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. The chemical equation in which number of atoms of reactants is equal to number of atoms of products is called a balanced chemical equation. For example, when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas are formed. In this reaction, we find that number of atoms on reactant side is equal to 8 and on product side it is also equal to 8. It means in this reaction number of atoms of products and reactants is equal, so it is a balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation tells us about the actual number of atoms of the substances taking part in chemical reaction and the actual number of atoms of the products the substances produced. A balanced chemical equation also follows the law of conservation of mass, that is, there is no change in the mass of the substances taking part in a chemical reaction, that is a chemical change. On the other hand, the chemical equation in which number of atoms of reactants is not equal to number of atoms of products is called unbalanced chemical equation. In other words, we can say that the chemical equation having unequal number of atoms on reactant side and product side is known as unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation does not tell us about the actual number of atoms of substances taking part in the chemical reaction and the number of atoms of products produced during the reaction. For example, when hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water, we find here that the number of atoms of reactants, that is hydrogen and oxygen, is equal to 4 and the number of atoms of the product, that is water, is 3. So it is unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation means that that it does not follow the law of conservation of mass, because the number of atoms of reactants is not equal to number of atoms of products, so there is a difference between the masses of the products and the reactants. So in order to follow the law of conservation of mass and to know the actual amount of the substances taking part in chemical reaction and the produced, a chemical reaction equation should be balanced.